So I can see the end. I can see the bridge through the trees. Just about there. These steps have slowed me down. Ah. The camp is over here. Come on, it should be an opening. I think it's right up there, yeah. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I have arrived at camp. It is 12:30. Heck yeah, over 11 miles. I made a fire starting it with my old kinesiology tape and then putting stuff on it as it was on fire. Works pretty well. Right, so it's 6:14. I had dinner and cleaned up and stuff. It's supposed to be another cold night tonight. Possibly, last I checked, down to 29 with wind chill. Hopefully it's not. And either way, hopefully there's no frost. I don't think I'm going to put on my rainfly. I think I'm going to chance it. Because I think I'm low enough that it should be, I don't know. We'll see. I guess we'll find out. so today wasn't very hard, although towards the last few miles or whatever, I was getting tired. My muscles are pretty achy from going downhill all day. And then of course I have basically the opposite tomorrow, where I'm doing, well, at first it's going to be flat, and then it's going to be all uphill. And then basically just after I get done with doing uphill, I'll be really close to where I'll be staying, which is Sally Keys Lakes and stuff. So I'm tired. I'm definitely going to go to sleep soon, and hopefully wake without any frost on the tent or ice or anything, or on the sleeping bag either. So I've prepared everything I can in preparation for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be one of my last hard days. I do have Selden Pass then after tomorrow, but I don't think that's going to be all that bad based on what I can see in the maps and stuff, and I've checked the elevations and stuff. It shouldn't be that bad. It's only 10,900 feet, and I'll be at like 10.5 already. So and then yeah, so, and then I'll have a couple easy days, and then probably another hard day. Well, it'll be like a 7.6 mile hike, plus at least one river crossing where I'll probably have to get wet. So we'll see what happens. But my body seems to be doing pretty good. It's just tired. I am kind of having to force down dinner. I don't know, it just happens in the backcountry sometimes, where you just have to force it down. And pardon me. But yeah, so that's basically it. Don't really know what else to say. And so I guess I'll just say good night, guys.